Hi, welcome to Driving TV, and I hope you are well. In this video, I'd like to share with you something which many learners, they do that in the beginning without knowing the danger behind it. So I just want to clarify with this video so that you know the danger of this problem that I want to talk about. Okay, so I just want to share with you, when you're turning left, the second road on the left, or when you are stopping on the left after a road on the left, and you signal too early, what is the danger behind that? I just want to share in this video because many learners, they don't actually understand the danger, and this is why they keep on signaling too early. Once you know the danger, it will help you to remember why it is danger and why you shouldn't signal too early. So in this video, I just like to share with you this problem. So say you want to go second road on the left and you signaled before the first. What is the danger behind that? Okay, or you want to stop somewhere safe on the left after a road on the left and you signal before that road. What is the danger behind that? Let me show you and explain to you so that you could understand the danger behind that, and hopefully this will help you to avoid signaling too early when you're turning left, the second on the left, or when you're stopping on the left after a road on the left. So just to explain, imagine this is your car and you want to go second on the left. Okay, so not this one, you want to go to this one. This is your aim. This is your car. Okay, and you want to go left here. Now for you to go left, obviously you need to signal. So you look at the mirror and you signal around here. Okay, you signal here to go there. Okay, so what is the danger behind that? The danger is, say there is a car here who wants to go this way. Okay, soon as they see you signaling, what do you think they're gonna think? They are waiting here to go their right. They see you are signaling, which means they are thinking you want to go here, and they're gonna come out. But actually, you're not going in there, you're going there, which means you're not gonna stop, you're gonna carry on, and they're gonna come out thinking you want to go in there. What's gonna happen? Okay, so signaling too early, you are misleading people here who wants to go right. They might think you're going in there. And can you see the danger behind that? Same way, say that there's no road here. There's no road, okay? There's only one road here. And you want to stop around here. That's your plan. Same, if you signal here before this road to stop there, this car is going to think you want to go in there, not stopping over there, because they don't know you signaling. They're thinking you are going in there, and they're going to come out. Okay, so can you see the danger if you signal too early? If you're going to go second on the left, don't signal too early. Don't signal before the first road. Or if you want to stop somewhere safe on the left after a road on the left, don't signal here, signal there. Okay, I hope this clears how dangerous it is if you signal too early, and I hope next time you'll remember why you shouldn't signal too early. I hope this helps, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you did, please do give a thumbs up, and please do make a comment what you think of the video. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. And please do press the bell icon so that every time I upload a new video, you will be notified first to watch the video. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again on the next video. Bye for now.